Hey everyone, we're going to do a chain pull and a swipe. I'm going to be using silicone in two of my colors, my purple and my blue. I want it to look like a sky, but on the abstract side. My mixture is Saks Heavy Body Acrylic and white all-purpose glue. My mixture is 60% white all-purpose glue and 40% heavy acrylic with about 30% water. Only my blue and my purple have silicone. I just wet the bottom part of my paper towel to give me a little more control. Pull it tight. Get it up a little bit, get rid of the bubbles. Very pretty. I'm going to use pink for my chain pull. Do some flowers. My paint is 1 part Floetrol, 1 part acrylic, and 20% water. I put it in a plate. That's my chain. Make sure you get the paint in it really good. Okay. You want to keep an eye right here. Make sure you're pulling your chain really straight. That looks really good. I love the purple, blue, and black. That's beautiful. Watch your chain. Keep it coming straight down. I'm going to do some black ones down at the very bottom. This is dried, and I don't like this bottom here, so I'm going to try some balloon kisses. See if I can just add some flowers to it. I'm going to use the bottom of the paintbrush and do a little more design in it, just to separate my petals. This is something I got off of Amazon. It lets you do really fine detail. It fits on the end of your regular paint. Now I'm going to use my 1% acrylic, 1% Floetrol, and just do a drip and pull it out, and that'll be my leaves. just like this.